Happy New Year from the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, featuring your January 2018 add-on kits. So there are 3 add-ons: cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments to add onto your Flavors of the Month kit. So these are going to make your Flavors of the Month go even further, give you more options. Let's take a closer look at each one of these to see how it can make your Flavors of the Month kit even better. First, your cardstock add-on kit. So this is great if you like to use cardstock for your backgrounds, if you like to do digital die cutting or matting your photos, things like that. So the cardstock add-on is designed to give you 3 extra cardstock colors to go with each one of the 4 collections. So first we have 2 sheets of Petal Soft, 1 sheet of Grenadine, 2 sheets of Passionate, and 1 sheet of Bayou, 1 sheet of Lagoon, 2 sheets of Limeade, 2 sheets of Sapphire, and 1 sheet of Pollen. So these are designed to coordinate with each one of those 4 collections to give you even more options with your Flavors of the Month. Next we have the patterned paper add-on, and this one is a must for me. I love my patterned paper, love having more options to layer up even more, to create even more projects. The pattern paper add-on gives you 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these are papers not included in the Flavors of the Month, but 2 additional patterns for each one of the 4 collections. So first up, from American Crafts Sweater Weather, we have this one called Snow Friends with these adorable snowmen on the blue background with snowflakes. The back side is this green with little white dots, kind of looks like snow. Again, a full branding strip of that black and white plaid. This one, called Close Knit, is a red snowflake pattern, reminds you of a sweater. The back side is this whimsical, cute little garland and the confetti colors. And the branding strip is this pink with white kind of snow polka dots. Echo Park I'd Rather Be Crafting is this one with all the fun cameras. Again, this is a great print to cut out, fussy cut for embellishing. The back side is that awesome wood grain. This one's called Point and Shoot, so you're going to have a hard time deciding which side of that paper to use. This one is a 4x4 cut apart with more of those cute creative sayings. The back side is this yellow with a cross stitch in the off-white. This one is called 4x4 journaling cards. Then for Pink Paisley Wild Child, we have this one with all of these fun sayings all about boys that you can fussy cut as well for titles. The back side is that limey green with a chevron design. This one, paper 11, is the red star point. The back side is this fun bug print, so if you're scrapping boys, this one's going to be perfect. For American Crafts, Vicki Boutin's All the Good Things is this striped in all of the multicolors. This paper is called Happy Thoughts. The back side is this gorgeous black floral on the white, with a little bit of the blue watercolor in the background. This one, called Pop of Color, has all of these watercolor splotches of circles, and the back side is a pink design. So one more look at the patterned paper that comes in your add-on. Again, this is 2 additional patterns for each one of the 4 collections. The final add-on for your Flavors of the Month is the embellishment add-on. Absolutely my favorite because I love to do clusters of embellishments. So for Pink Paisley Wild Child, you're going to get a half a sticker sheet. So these are going to vary among the kits, but this is the one that was in my add-on. An American Crafts Thickers. So I love getting alphabets because they're good for months to come. You can do so many different titles. For Echo Park I'd Rather Be Crafting, you're going to get the chipboard accent stickers. So there are some words for titles, more of those fun crafty sayings, even this little scalloped border. So lots of fun embellishments. For Vicky Bootins, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera. So this is going to vary among the kits as well, but you can tell all kinds of ephemera pieces for journaling and layering. Love the colors in this collection and even a couple of words here. So that's a look at the embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-on kits for your flavors of the month. Be sure to come on over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook group to see what the design team and your fellow subscribers are creating with their kits. If you're not already a subscriber to this YouTube channel, click that coffee cup to subscribe and you'll be notified when the new reveals are released. Be sure to check out the other kits available from the Scrap Room as well as the Flavor of the Month kit, and add this one on to your Flavors of the Month if you're already a subscriber of the Flavors of the Month kit. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.